This is Elementa.
Hi everyone, I'm Ivar. Welcome to Elementa. I started Elementa because I love food and cooking, just like many of you, and I want to understand it more deeply and how to truly experience it. Elementa is here to help you discover what you enjoy and navigate this world without getting lost. Chapter 1 begins with the Wagyu from the US, Australia, and Japan. Wagyu is only the beginning. Elementa is a journey through techniques, traditions, and flavors. AI helps me visualize ideas, sketch layouts, and explore regions before filming them. It doesn't replace cooking, it helps me imagine the world around it. Elementa has three voices.
American Wagyu
This is Warren.
was forged, not in temples or markets, but in laboratories, ranches, and fire. Tonight, we taste the
This is
Could Wagyu
Sally.
survive here? In a land built on heat, drought, and distance? For a while, no one knew. Then came the turning point. In 1990, the first live Wagyu ever recorded in Australia.
And this is Lyria.
Simmental, Angus, massive beasts, bred for meat, not mysticism. They met Japan's native cows, smaller, gentler, revered. What followed was not harmony, but chaos.
Together, these voices created the language of Elementa, a blend of power, clarity, and emotion. Elementa was never only a video project. I've been building a book, a cinematic journey you can hold in your hands. More than 90 pages are already printed. They are not final, but they are real. Kickstarter is how I'll finish chapter 1 and continue building what comes next. Chapter 1 continues with deep dives into American, Australian, and several Japanese Wagyu prefectures. There will be episodes about marbling comparisons, cooking techniques, and pairing experiences. I've also begun long-term dry aging projects, 45 days, 60 days, and beyond. And Elementa won't be limited to beef. Future chapters will explore ingredients like Iberico and others that deserve the same respect. This journey will grow far beyond a single ingredient. Elementa is meant to be a community project. If you have ideas, traditions from your culture, or ingredients you'd like to see in future chapters, share them in the comments. I'd love to learn from you too. If you are still watching, thank you. Your support means a lot. If you want to help finish the book and build the future of Elementa, the Kickstarter link is below. And if not, you are always welcome on this journey. This is Elementa.